We've taken an aggressive new approach to local media and local news, specifically in the way that it is delivered. A lot of people have been looking to the web over the last 5 years and have stopped looking at television. Television is still a very relevant medium, and what we're providing to each market is something that's never been done before, a unique and specific hyper-local news channel. Any viewer can turn at any time to the channel and get a snapshot of what's going on in their market. We've paid particular attention to the detail and the look of the channel. We want this channel to have the look and feel of a national news channel, much like CNN or Fox News. A number of places you can turn to and get your national news, but not on there's nowhere you can really turn to get a 24/7 local news channel. Now, what this has done is create a new avenue for newspapers in each market and cable service providers especially. And even in some markets, the broadcast affiliates with the new digital spectrum. So in a sense, we've opened new doors, especially for the newspaper industry, in the fact that we've given them a new way to deliver their content to the masses. We believe that by doing so, the local news network has the power to reinvigorate the newspaper industry and create additional revenue for the newspaper industry and really help the newspapers reclaim their spot as the #1 source for news in each market.